start doing linear stuff. Linear just means it's a line. So the most common equation that we're going to use for a line is called the slope-intercept equation. They call it the slope-intercept equation because we have a slope and we have a y-intercept. And we put them together and we have an equation. The slope is going to be your number that's attached to the x. It is a fraction. Your slope tells us how fast our line goes up or down. Is it going up a little bit? Is it going up a lot? Is it going down? It's also our rate of change. And if you're looking at a word problem, it's the number attached to the per or each. Now, the number by itself at the end, not beside the x, that's called our y-intercept. That's where our line hits the y-axis. And it's the starting amount in word problems. Now, things to keep in mind. Slope is a fraction. On top, it's how much up or down our line goes, and on bottom, it's how much over. If it's positive, it's going up. If it's negative, it's going down. Undefined means it's straight up and down. Undefined ones, this is going to be something like x equals 3. Now, if we look back at our equation, I don't have a y, I don't have an intercept, all I have is x equals something, right? And 0. 0 means it's just a flat line. So these are going to look something like y equals 3. In some of our future videos, I'll tell you how to do slope from a graph, how to do it from coordinates. We're going to worry about all that in future videos. This is just kind of the intro to lines.